Welcome back to the channel. So in this episode, what we're bodging, we got the recap of January 2025. So let's see what I've been up to. So as I said in the 2024 recap, first job I was going to get done was the Blackfoot. As you can see, that's now done. The only thing left to do is the rear light bar, which I'm going to do something different with, and also maybe put an interior in it, mirrors. See what else I can do. After 4 years, you can see it's finally done. Didn't take too long. If you haven't seen the video, I didn't bother painting it. I just ended up polishing it. It came up alright. Quite a nice shine on it. Then got the decals on. That's pretty much it done. So in regards to my own projects, that's pretty much as far as I've got. Although other people's projects, one night woke up about 1 o'clock in the morning, checked my phone, got an email asking if there was any way I could make a twin turbo exhaust for a 911 RSR. So I did what any normal person does. Gets up at 1 o'clock in the morning, fire the laptop up, and I ended up with this. It's my favourite TTO1. Bit of adjustability in it. Lift the exhaust up and down. You can move them across on the brackets to have them spread out wider. Granted, I haven't got a 911, but I've got an RX-7 that was cutting the back out to put diffuser on it. So I've used that as a guinea pig. Turbine housings are in black. Air filters on this one are printed in blue, but can be printed in any other colours. Customer actually wanted red, so printed them up some red ones and sent those out. I'll throw some pictures up of it fitted to the 911. Granted the bumper's cut, but you get the idea. As you know, I do a lot of 3D printing on this channel. Anything from wheels to my caliper kits, diffusers, exhaust, number plates, spoiler mounts. One of my favourite bits, probably my front bumper that I've done for the Subaru Brat. What I've also decided to do is put a fitting kit together. So you can buy these yourself now. Comes with the front bumper, template for marking the holes, and the mounting hardware as well. Put a longer video up showing you how to fit them, but here's a short version. Basically, got a template on the front bumper, line it up with the ends, line that tab up with the back there, mark your holes, make them. Fit your bumper, put your bolts through the holes, job done. Give it a quick sand, prime, paint, and away you go. So what's next for the channel? On the side of 3D printing, so the switch mount adapters are on there, seem to be doing okay. I'm going to be adding a few more things on there. There's some lunchbox mods, strut brace, gearbox brace, body mounts, etc. Also toying with the idea of offering my sort of cooler kits pre-painted. Obviously we've got the caliper kits on there, custom Brat front bumpers, and potentially the twin turbo exhaust kits as well. At the moment this is for a TTO1 and TTO2 chassis, but should be easily modified for me to be able to make them for the BTO1, MBO1 and all that. Project wise, I think it's about the time the Drift Missile Subaru got a bit of love. So hopefully this month get the roll cage, cockpit fitted. Now you may have seen that Tamiya are going to be re-releasing the 306. And as you may notice on the channel, got a bit of a thing for the 306. Arguably one of the best rally cars that they've ever done. So no surprise that I've already got a pre-order in with L&L models for that. Because clearly having 2, 3, 4 306s isn't enough. Can you tell which one's been used the most? I don't even count the ones I've yet to start. Whoops. Yes, it'll be coming out on a BTO1, which you've seen the videos. I've even got a full build on it. That chassis has got quite a bit of slop, which you can remove with shims and a few mods. Still yet to do mine, but I will do it. The new one will be going box art. I'm not sure whether they're going to do any sort of livery with it or whether it's going to come as it is in the pictures, which is basically a blue with a few decals similar to the originals. But I've already got a few in the original livery anyway. So, as I say, the new one will be going box art. So in the background I will be working on a few modifications for that 306, ready for when it comes out. There we go, there's the January recap. So I kept my word. I did say the first project of the year was going to be the Blackfoot. That got finished. And then there's been a lot of printing in the background, a lot of design work as well. So keep your eyes peeled. You may see the twin turbo exhaust kits on eBay shortly. The Brat bumpers are already up there, along with the intercooler kits. As I say, maybe offering them out pre-painted. And there's also the caliper kits as well. I'll leave a link in the description to the eBay store where you'll find these and whatever else I managed to put up. But on that note, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.